Okay guys, we have come to the end of the CSS lesson, which is called text shadow and the box shadow. And I didn't tell you about the index and more code. I will tell you in the next course. But first, let me tell you about the box shadow because I think it's important. It have a nice background and you must learn it. I think it's good and have a nice color for your any website. Okay, let me show you. First, let's start with the text shadow. Just like is the name, we use it for the word, not the background, to have a little style. For example, see this title, go to the place where you call it in a CSS. Now type a text shadow. Press enter. You will type a 3 number. Let me add a 30, and the next one is a color that you want to add. Let's add, I don't know, let be red. Let be color be red to show how it works. Each 3 number has a different purpose. For example, look at this. If you want the color be separate and with the, let me increase it, or this. Yep, this is how it works. And finally, if you want the color be inside, not outside, type inside, which you tell CSS, I want to start inside it, and give it like the same number with a good color. But the problem is in a text shadow not working, but in a box shadow is work. And I hope in the next update of the CSS it gonna be work. I'll show you later, and this is a text shadow. You can add more than one, which is more useful if you want to make your logo nice and a better effect and a better animated. But you must add a comma after every 3 number. Now let's go to the box shadow. Now what is a box shadow? This is the same as the name used for the background. How does it work? For example, let's go to the footer div. We go to the header. I type a box shadow in a CSS of the header, and again a 3 number with a color. Okay. Now this is our box. This was the outside, and I hope you will learn it about the box shadow. In every number, just like I said, it had a purpose to create a nice animation for your box. Now for the inside, it is enough to type insert, okay, and type 3 number and the color. Okay, let me increase it. And yep, here you go. This is inside of the box shadow work. Now in order to add a more different color, you can write as many as you want, but you must add a comma, which means that you will add another box shadow, and if you didn't see it works, that means you didn't put a comma. So be careful about that. Now if you don't know how the box shadow work, or you want to learn it better, or you want to use it nice and better, you can get help from other websites to learn it little by little and see how it works, or you can use it instead. Let's go, for example, this website, this or this, but it will show your box shadow with a better code, and a nice background to copy and use it for your job, or you can create by yourself and after that upload to GitHub or your website to use your beautiful art, or you can sell it with low prices. And this is the end of the lesson. Now we go to the finish our website with what we learned. So keep watching the next video, and if you have a question, write a comment in a note down below. See you in the next video.